Namaste from me to you. I am Sharmila and welcome to my channel Swayambhu Discover Yourself. In today's video, let's take a look into the world of some birds. So shall we start? Cock, murga, cock. Crane, saras, crane. Crow, कौवा, crow. Cuckoo, कोयल, cuckoo. Duck, बतख, duck. Eagle, चील, गरुड़, eagle. Kingfisher, रामचिरैया, kingfisher. मैना, मैना. Nightingale, बुलबुल, nightingale. Ostrich, शुतुरमुर्ग, ostrich. Owl, उल्लू, owl. Parrot, तोता, parrot. Peacock, moor, peacock. Pigeon, कबूतर, pigeon. Sparrow, गोरैया चिड़िया, sparrow. Swan, हंस, swan, हंस. Vulture, गिद्ध, vulture, गिद्ध. Woodpecker, कटफोड़वा, woodpecker, कटफोड़वा. So the homework for today is write 3 to 5 sentences on any of the birds. On any one of the birds, you can write 3 to 5 sentences. You know the funda of English. You have to keep on practicing. You just can't sit and say that, okay, I'll do it tomorrow. Practice at least for 30 minutes, minimum 30 minutes in a day. Go to your room, be in front of the mirror and talk in English, think in English. Everything that you do throughout the day, just translate. Don't keep on saying it in your mother tongue or Hindi. Just say it in English. Just say it in English. मैं आ गया. No, I'm come. If you want to improve your English, stop translating and only think in English. When you think in English, you can talk in English properly. Otherwise, you will always cut and talk and you will have to think and talk. So to stop that, you are going to think in English and say those words in English. That time your English will become more and more fluent. Think in simple English, talk in simple English, talk in front of the mirror if you don't have anyone to talk to. So practice, practice and practice. That's all for now. Thank you for being my inspiration today. Meet you in my next video. Till then, be happy, stay healthy and take care.